Bitcoin Layer 2s is a new meta for 2024. This is where the most money is going to be made in this upcoming bull run. There's 3 ways you could go about getting these tokens. That's through a pre-sale, an IDO, or an airdrop. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you could get the B2 Networks airdrop, which is a Bitcoin Layer 2 rollup on an EVM compatible solution. So without further ado, let's go bank that coin.
Francis Dune Uncensored.
Welcome back to another video here at Francis Dune Uncensored, where we do have tomorrow's newspapers today. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very excited to present the B2 network to you. This is a Bitcoin Layer 2 solution, man, and it's one of the more bullish ones. I'm very impressed with the B2 network, and I want to make this clear. We're not too certain what exactly we're going to get airdrop to us, but what we are certain about is they are going to be giving us some form of airdrop. That was confirmed. I did ask them. Now, they do promote themselves as, restoring Bitcoin's core values, which means they're going to be using Bitcoin as their base currency. So what are they going to airdrop to us? We don't know. Maybe there is a token coming. Maybe there isn't. Maybe it's Bitcoin we're getting airdrop. Maybe it's something else. But what we do know is they are going to be airdropping us something. And again, there are people speculating in the community that they will be dropping their own token, a governance token or something like that. All of the links to access the B2 network will be provided for you in the comment section in the form of a pinned message and also in the description box. So make sure you go over there, click the link, and I'll direct you to the exact spot where you need to start this process. Keep in mind, you will need a Unisat wallet and also some Bitcoin test Faucet coins or TBTC, and I'll show you guys where you can locate that. So let's get right on with the program. So the B2 network was mentioned by Unisat, the world's largest BRC20 token marketplace. If you don't know what Unisat is, they are making waves in the ordinals on BRC20 space. Now, they tweeted this on January 10th right here. Delighted to collaborate. So it's an official collaboration. B2 Network is a Layer 2 network implemented through ZK Rollup or Zero Knowledge Rollup and an on-chain logical gate commitment verification mechanism. We're thrilled to announce the integration of the Unisat wallet into the B2 network ecosystem. Seamlessly manage your assets and enjoy enhanced functionalities with Unisat. Now, is this a direct collaboration? Will Unisat be utilizing the B2 network for BRC20 tokens? This is where it caught my eye, and this is why I think B2 network has tremendous potential to stand out of the competition when it comes to Bitcoin Layer 2s, okay? So moving on, a quick overview. B2 network is a Layer 2 solution that bolsters transaction speed and broadens application diversity without sacrificing security. B2 Network is the first zero-knowledge proof verification commitment rollup on Bitcoin. Leveraging rollup technology, B2 Network provides a platform capable of running Turing-complete smart contracts for off-chain transactions, which enhances transaction efficiency and minimizes costs. Additionally, zero-knowledge proof technology is employed in tandem with security during confirmation on Bitcoin, and it continues, right? But once again, this video is not so much about the overview or what exactly how the technology works. I definitely would make a video on that in the future. This video is about how we're going to get that cheddar, right? So a little bit more context here, and then we'll carry on. Bitcoin Network is the final settlement layer for B2 Network. Users can recover all B2 rollup transactions through Bitcoin and validate their authenticity using ZK proofs recorded on Bitcoin. B2 Network employs ZK proof verification commitment and challenge response mechanisms for final confirmations on Bitcoin. This process, supported by Bitcoin's robust proof of work algorithm, ensures the security of B2 rollup. So this is where they go by saying, they want to restore Bitcoin core values, and they're using a lot of the things that are verified on Layer 1. Okay, so let's get right to it, guys. These are the things you're going to need. You're going to need a Unisat wallet testnet. Okay, so as you can see right here, I am in the testnet. So you click this cogwheel, and then right here is the network. You put that from main to testnet, or is it livenet to testnet? Okay, and I'm using SegWit. I'm not too sure if you can use Taproot here, but let's just go with SegWit. So you'll change your address over here and choose native SegWit. Make sure that's ticked off. Once you got that, you're going to need some TBTC, okay, as I mentioned. So, I'll show you where to get that shortly. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're actually going to download their B2 wallet proxy, and they give us these screenshots on how we could go about doing that, okay? So it says here, download the B2 wallet proxy to your computer for the For the Chrome extension, you want to install and unzip the extension file. So let's just do that right now, and we'll take it from there. Okay, cool. Go to Chrome extensions and check the box for developer mode in the top right. So it's going to look like this. So let's just go here, Chrome extensions, and right here, developer mode. We're going to toggle that. Now, what do they tell us to do next? Now they say, let's go here. Okay, click the load unpacked extension buttons in the top left and select the unzip extension folder, just like they show us here. So this is the extension button right here, and then this should populate, and then they want us to click that, select that, and unzip the extension folder. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's head on over here. I'm going to go manage extensions, load unpack, where this was saved, and I'm going to select folder. And there we go. It's right here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's carry back on to our instructions, though. And that's what they say here. The B2 Wallet proxy has been installed. Okay, guys. So go back to B2 Network pages, connect B2 Wallet proxy, and there you go. So if I come back on over here, now what I would like to do is I would like to manage extensions. And here we go. It's right here. Okay. So now we could come here and we're going to pin it. And this is a very cool wallet. What it does, it actually mirrors your Unisat wallet address. Now, if you see this here, guys, okay, let me come back here. If you guys see this wallet shows this message, please open or refresh a valid web page to activate. Just hold on Control and F5. And that should make it, just populate the correct information, okay? So we're going to click Unisat, and look at that. It already syncs in for us. And if you notice, this is TB1QCC and ends in 3QAZ. Now, if I open my Unisat wallet, that's exactly what this wallet address is. So don't get confused. This B2 wallet mimics your existing Unisat wallet, okay? And it'll make more sense as we get further down the line. Now, the next step here is actually going to, we came all the way down here. You're going to need to get some test Bitcoin, okay? So this is the website that they tell us to go to. You click this link. This is going to populate like this. What you need to do from here now is use your Unisat wallet, okay? Copy that like that, and then place this in here, right? And then you specify how much you want. Just read this current wallet balance. It tells me I already have some test Bitcoin in there. You can get up to 0.0002. So let's just go 0002 and then test Bitcoin. Just do the capture over here. They want us to click the bridges. So we go bridge. And then we verify that. And there we go. So at the moment, you can actually get these Bitcoin Faucet tokens, and they were in high demand a couple of days ago. So I highly recommend you guys, if you're going to be getting to these layer 2 blockchains, I highly recommend that you just get as much as you can, keep them there, store them for the next one, etc., etc. So, you do have some locked and loaded in the chamber for the next Bitcoin layer 2 airdrop that we will be covering. Okay, guys? So cool. Since I've already have these testnet tokens, I'm actually going to go here now, which is the actual point section, okay? Over here is where we're going to acquire some points. So 10, 20, 30, and then 50. This is the bridge, okay? Once again, the links for these to get here is in the comment section in the form of a pinned message and also in the description box. Click the link and it'll direct you over here. And I believe it helps me out get some points as well. So I'll greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much. So let's carry on. So the first one here is to join their Discord. So all we need to do is click the start button, and I want to make this known, guys. This may deny my access because I've already done this last night just to test it out for this video. So let's see what happens. They may not allow me to join, but for you, if you didn't join their Discord, if you didn't join their Telegram as yet, or their Twitter, you should be fine, okay? So let's see what happens. So once again, press the start button. And then this page populates. The application will detect your account. So sign in as TCL7090. So you can't do this twice because then they think that how you're trying to just rack up more points in other accounts. That's not what I'm doing. But this authorize button, once I press it, you can't really see it here. It's purple. Once I press this, it may not give me access to it because I've already joined their Discord, okay? So for the purposes of this video, just, ignore that and you follow these steps and you should be good. But let's see what happens. I press authorize. And there you go. So message, sorry, this Discord account has been bound, which means I've already joined their Discord, okay? But in your case, you should be fine and you'll get 10 points, okay? So let's carry on to the next one. So join their Telegram. Let's see what happens over here. I've already joined their Telegram. I did leave the chat, but let's see what happens. In your case, you should be fine. So press start. Sorry, Telegram account has been bound. So what that means is I've already joined Telegram. They detected this. So if you're trying to get X amount of points, you wouldn't be able to do that with the same Telegram account. But in your instance, you should be okay. Let's see what happens with Twitter. I'm going to press start and authorize app. And there we go, has been bound because I've already done the process, okay? But nonetheless, you guys should be okay and you'll get those 30 points, 10 each. Okay, so moving on now to get 50 points. So over here, this withdraw BTC from B2 testnet to Bitcoin testnet, 50 points. This is not available just yet. This will be coming soon. So that's another way to rack up more points, okay, guys? So let's go on and press this here. And this should direct us to the bridge. Okay, cool. So, keep in mind, once your test Bitcoin has arrived in your Unisat testnet wallet, okay, SegWit wallet that is, you'll need to have this open, obviously, your Unisat wallet. And once you're here, this will detect everything. Now, as you can see at the bottom, it already detects my test Bitcoin right here. It says my balance is 0.00857. Cool, that means we're good to go. So what we want to do here is we want to make a deposit and bridge it over to over here. And you may be thinking, see how this happens again? So please open or refresh a valid web page. So we want to press Control and F5, and then that will refresh everything. If we press it, there we go. We click back Unisat, and here we go, okay? Cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in 0.02. Okay, as you can see, this is my wallet address, and I'm going to click deposit funds. Send to address TB1QCC. Okay, so once again, this wallet mirrors your Unisat wallet. So don't worry, you will see the test Bitcoin arrive over here. So let's carry on and press deposit funds. Then we're going to sign this off. Sign and pay. And there you have it. Transaction submitted. The transfer is in progress. Tokens will be sent to your account in a few minutes. And we can actually click this link here. And this will take us to the testnet mempool. As you can see, we're going to wait for this to confirm. And then we'll come back. And that should arrive in this wallet over here. Right here. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so that test Bitcoin has been confirmed in 2 blocks. We come back here. As you can see right here, my previous balance, it was 0.00857 BTC, and that has since been deducted. If we check this wallet, once again, this does happen. So hold on Control F5 to refresh, and it should populate. And inside here, it should have 0.002, and there we go. It is there, ladies and gentlemen, right? So let's carry back on over here, and 50 points. And there we go. We have 50 points right there that we earned. Okay, guys? Keep in mind, do come back here every now and then and check up on this, because the more points you have, it's not available, right? This is to withdraw. The more points you have, the more rewards you'll get in this particular airdrop. And we don't know exactly what they're going to be dropping to us, but we do know they are giving us an airdrop, okay? So this will be worth your time, don't worry. And another way you could rack up points, you could get 10 points per referral. Okay, by sharing this link. So copy this, share this on Twitter, share this in your Telegram, maybe on YouTube, whatever you got to do, and you'll rack up more points. And the more points you have, the more rewards or tokens or whatever it is you will get. And once again, my link is in the description box and also in the form of a pinned message in the comment section. And I would really appreciate it if you use it. It would help me go a very long way with this program. If we come back on over, where is it here? This is the withdraw button. As you can see, we can't do anything. So what you would do from here is you withdraw it out of the B2 wallet, okay, and send it back to your Unisat test wallet to earn another 50 points. Guys, highly recommend you come on over to the B2 Network Twitter. They got about 70,000 followers, and it's one of the better projects, ladies and gentlemen. This is why I wanted to bring it to your attention. We truly believe that B2 Network is going to be one of the better Bitcoin Layer 2 solutions when it comes to roll up and EVM compatible, and to know that how Unisat, the world's largest BRC20 marketplace, is endorsing them, does have a collaboration of some sort. We may very well see the BRC20 tokens being utilized through this particular Layer 2. So you know what? There ain't really much left to say other than, until the next video, you're on your own. Later.
Francis Dune, Uncensored.